This is Alex's plant safari video. This is my new hibiscus. I got it this summer. It's I think it's a peach hybrid. I'm not sure. I think it's some type of hibiscus. It's a tropical hibiscus. Now tropical hibiscus like it kind of dry in the wintertime, and they like it kind of wet in the summertime with a lot of humidity, and they like a good bath in the shower every now and then, and they like a lot of really good things. But these are the blooms. Check out how big these guys are. Look at this. Is my hand, and this is the bloom. It's like the size of my hand, literally. So pretty good size. And this is a arrowhead vine. Arrowhead vine are really hardy plants, and they do very well in their living room. And this is my jade tree, jade plant. Jade plants are succulents from South Africa. And this is my Placopedium orchid, or Placopedium orchid for short. It's really cool. And this is a peacock plant over here. If you look over here, this is a peacock plant. Peacock plant over there. And this is my moth orchid. And this is another jade tree that I have. And this is a mini jade tree over here. This mini jade is getting a little laggy from lack of light and drying out, but it'll come back and do really well. This is over here. This is a Madagascar palm. It looks really cool. It's a spiky little succulent. It's growing very well. I'll have to give it some water and take care of it. This is a agave. Agave is really cool. This is an aloe, red aloe hybrid. And this is Rosanna. Rosanna is the cactus queen of my dreams. And this is a Gerber daisy. Gerber daisies are really cool. I got it for free from one of my staff at home. And this is a jabotica. Now, jabotica is known as the Brazilian grape tree. And Brazilian grape trees are native to South America, Brazil, the swamps in that area. They're pretty neat. They're pretty and they're native, and they get fairly large. They can get to be around 40 feet or so. So this will grow really too big for my house eventually. But if I keep it in a pot, it should continue to stay within a reasonable size restriction. This is a banana shrub, Magnolia fico. Now, Magnolia fico is a banana shrub, and it has really pretty flowers that look like little magnolia blooms, and it has banana-like smell to it, a banana-like smell. And that is a Dicinia marginera. Dicinia marginera is the dragon tree. It's not the actual dragon tree, but it's similar to closeness. And this is a philodendron. Now, philodendron look really cool and just looks really nice, and starting to grow really lush leaves. And these are my collection of aloes and succulents. I have a gastrera, not the stomach gastrera, but the plant. Here, I'll show it to you in a little bit. Yeah, I'll show you. Gastrera are succulents from Africa. They look like tongs, but this is the gastrera plant. It looks really cool. Gonna have to give it some water. I'll make another video about how to water succulents. But that's my succulent collection, and this is a dream catcher that I have. Yeah. Not the same as a giant burger. Giant burgers are kind of really close to me. I like eating giant burgers and being around meat and try to eat tons of steak. This is a poster that I put up in my room. It's called "Stop the Spread and Transport of Invasive Plants. Protect Our Native Habitat." This is garlic mustard, Canada thistle, spotted knapweed, common tansy, Queen's Anne lace, oriental bittersweet, wild parsnip, leafy spurge, Petunia, thistle, purple loosestrife, European buckthorn, Japanese knotweed. These are all plants you really, really do not want to plant in your landscape or your garden. And if you have them, you really should get rid of them, because if you don't get rid of them, they're going to get rid of all the plants you want to grow, like irises and native shrubs and native trees and stuff like that. But anyway, this is my plant safari. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about exotic plants and a little bit about plants you don't want to have in your yard, and also plants that you do want to have, like as house plants. So these are my house plants. Over and out.